Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another serious reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, leave a comment and a like on the vlog. I will not have to go a road, stay inside. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel expressed his emotion even before what has taken place in what we can consider his hometown parish then. You know what I mean? You don't know, as a matter of fact, the HQ for the Gaza. That group was started in Waterford. St. Catherine, viewers and subscribers, and St. Catherine is under lockdown at this point in time. As a matter of fact, a chaos out of man. I'm going to see what go on. Even at the Spain at the same effect. And then we're going to do what? We're going to continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers, based upon what we are looking at. Look.
Support more man, look, is it? We go up on the toll. Yeah. I mean, the checkpoint, they are toll up there, sir. We check your temperature and all them thing there. Yeah. Place car cut, everybody have to walk right now, got mad. That's the thing there.
Look where I go on, just as the government call today. As the government call lockdown, the supermarket full, the place ram, can't get food, can't get parking space. AJ, Spanish Town, the ram, people out that door, car load.
The people them a move out of Portmore. No sir, watch ya, look on the traffic. Everybody a left Portmore, look on the line of traffic. Jano, watch ya. Look on the traffic, everybody a move out. Watch ya. Look on the odds and look on the traffic. Jano, the people them a ship out. Watch ya. All our family member town and them place. Watch out.
I know nothing normal. I know nothing normal. And from first night, the people them start drive out of Portmore. Told boot them and say, yo, them raise the iron and I just up it stay. People just travel continuously outside of Portmore. Just a leave. Long stream, long line, just a leave. Out, exit. Pilgrimage. Now, viewers and subscribers, one thing to put into perspective though, at this point in time, St. Catherine has the highest reported cases, but followed by Kingston and St. Andrew. I do not suppose that Kingston and St. Andrew would be the best choice for you. Forgot at this point in time, based upon all our go on, they've already said, they might advise Kingston and St. Andrew to look out that they might be next. So, to say you leave Portmore because of the news we hear, I don't feel like it's really that productive of a solution because the situation that take place in the entire island. No. All we say is the measures being put into place, while we not agree with them, are the only measures we have in place right now. We don't know if it's going to cause more spread or this is the solution for the situation. But we see them do it for 9 Mile and, you know what I mean? Them out of that now. So, did it work? I'm not sure. I guess we have heard from the Ministry of Health to hear what them would have said about the situation if the measure implemented by the government was successful. But other than that, we're not sure at this point in time. All we know is that these are the measures being implemented in St. Catherine, viewers and subscribers. Chaotic scene, chaotic situation. People don't know how to handle a situation like this. Remember, most people, as a matter of fact, for everybody on the island, we had just returned from a 3 to 5. I was happy to know say it was more of a 9 to 5 now. Then the year say yo it's a 5 until the 22nd. No, people couldn't cope. And some people opted to leave the city. You know what I mean? Yeah, they must say the Sunshine City, they're not gonna stay. Who did they Spain and say, we're not gonna stay, we have got some different parishes. As I would say, however, though, it look like other parishes are on the radar. And all the parishes them close to St. Catherine have recorded high numbers. As a matter of fact, I never St. Catherine that the high numbers. I did Kingston and Clarendon. With the Alarica situation, the amount of cases reported all at once, yeah, then that put St. Catherine above all these other places. But after recoveries and isolations and things like that, it would still mean that St. Catherine is not the parish to be concerned with the most. Because Kingston and St. Andrew still have highest reported cases of people-to-people transfer. Remember, these individuals all worked at the same location, hence why they must say rare. And that is understandable. But in the other parishes, it's not because they work at the same facility. It is just because contact was made and, you know, the spread is just taking place. Viewers and subscribers, tell me, how are you handling the situation if you are a resident of St. Catherine? For those living in Kingston and St. Andrew, hearing that soon and very soon they are planning to maybe implement the same measures in that parish, what are your thoughts? Do you think that this measure is necessary? This is a measure needed to be implemented to slow the spread or the momentum of what is taking place, not just locally but also worldwide. Talk to me. I don't know what's going on the road right now, because listen to this. Food for thought. Systematical public visit to go get essentials and necessities. Now, will there be goods being delivered? What about that? Because if there are no goods being delivered, you catch the dilemma. What will there be to buy? Remember, we had just returned from a holiday weekend. Production would have been started this week. So what will take place? We are clearly in a serious dilemma, viewers and subscribers. For all who are saying, yo, nah man, a simple thing. It a go blow over. It a go blow. No. We are saying this. We are praying it blow over as soon as possible. For it take place, and this will be a distant memory. We are however saying that the situation is severe, is serious in nature, and people should treat it as such and not look upon it like it's a game. Just because you in particular might not go through the ordeal. When this show the implications, you might not have symptoms or go through that, but even just the lockdown will affect every individual being based in a country or in a parish in particular, where certain measures are being implemented. What we can look at is the fact that not every country is in a total lockdown, and not every parish in Jamaica has had reported cases. And also that Ground Zero, the first place worldwide recorded to having had the incident, is now up and running. And they must say everything is nice over there. So, as a food for thought, while we have not created a vaccine, come here, Americans are talking about a vaccine, it wasn't vaccination that helped the Chinese. It wasn't a vaccination. It was, remember, they must see a contamination. The area is contaminated. Then all you have to do is clean the area. Some people are say, oh, you go clean Jamaica. Or China clean Wuhan province. Me not understand. Oh, you ask me something. What kind of question they ask me? You know, say, I find you have vehicles that wash the street. You wouldn't believe that, though. Vehicles that wash the street. Street wash. You wouldn't. Yeah, then they just look so by themselves. Whole heap of things take place in the first world countries. And those things that don't happen here, so we wouldn't readily know. But yeah, walk and sanitize down the place. Just spray it on the wall in my public space. Walk and spray it a couple days well, couple hours of the day well. That can be a good solution or a good method to combat what take place, instead of just tell people say, turn them yard, turn your yard and do what? Stay home and do what? Well, that's the situation though. Then again, go outside and do what also? but stay home is not a fighting solution. You know what I mean? That's not how you win any challenge. By not participating is never how you win a challenge. Never. I have never seen non-participants win challenges. Never. I have never seen that. So whether you are gonna stay home and try to find a way now, drink something, keep healthy, keep fit, keep rare, then that is different. But just sit down and wait for the leaders of the nation to fight this year. That won't work. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of our fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there as well. The share icon is also there as well. Drop a like on the blog from me like with your ear. You know all the something. Go to the comment section only 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yeah, man, I'll move settings from we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And I'm out.